According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, over 5,000 motorcyclists die in crashes every year, and motorcyclists are 29 times more likely to die in a crash than those in other types of vehicles. Zinda Law Group partner and attorney Joe Caputo has handled difficult motorcycle accident cases and knows what it takes to get maximum results for clients.
8 times out of 10 in these cases, the injuries are going to be significant because you're falling and hitting the pavement as opposed to usually getting hit on the inside of a vehicle with an airbag. And 2, the crash reports just tend to go against you. So having someone like Zinda Law Group able to investigate on your behalf, preserve evidence, know where to look, and be able to do it quickly while you focus on getting better is the key to these cases.
Our nationwide team of attorneys has handled cases across the country. Plus, we are top rated for client satisfaction. Our compassionate team of attorneys knows what it takes to get big results for you. At Zinda Law Group, we devote individualized attention to each case so that you feel like family. In fact, many of our clients trust us with their friends and family after an accident. Zinda Law Group offers free consultations 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, nights and weekends. Plus, you don't owe us anything unless we win your case. Call Zinda Law Group now or visit zindalaw.com to learn more about our personal injury lawyers.